external girth is also strip, also wall footing, it's also trench. There's so many ways. So there's so many ways. So in our external girth, we'll be starting with the vertical strip. So vertical. So in order to measure it, like I said, we are going to be using the labels to pick out the dimension. A1 to O1 is equals to 14,100. Then, if you look at it, you'll see that from O to N is not there isn't any strip there from O to N. So we are going to deduct that side, because if we don't deduct it, to be considered an over measurement. The dimension for O to N is 825. That's 13,275. Then we will be sure to count all the column bases that fall on our strips, because we are going to measure the column bases separately. The trench for the column base, we are going to measure it separately. The concrete, it will be a separate measurement. So, and we'll now check the type of base types that they are. The one on A1 is base type 1. So we are lucky they are all base type 1. So we can simply say 4 by 1,200. According to the foundation details, the part foundation details, according to the specifications for the base types for base type 1 that the structural engineer gave to us, he said the base type 1 is 1,200 by 1,200, as you can see clearly. So we are going to say 4 by 1,200, which is 4,800. We'll be getting 8,475. For the left side of our vertical external strip, the total length of the strip, or the total length of the wall footing or the trench or the girth is 8,475. So we are going to get for the other side as well. So from A1 to O1, the length is 8,475. So now we are going to find for the other side. So it's just like we've gotten for this side, so it's time to get for this side. So following the same principle as this one, the other side is labeled A12 to O12. So we just look at the dimension of A12 to O12. It's still the same as this one, close to 14,100. We will deduct O to N. We'll deduct O12 to N12, because that portion is not that there isn't any strip there. It will be an over measurement. Still the same with this 825. We get 13,275. So we go to count the column bases that are there. And if you check the base types, they are all BT1s. And the dimension for BT1 is 1,200 by 1,200. That makes 4 by 1,200, giving us still 4,800. We deduct our column base, we still get the same figure. The building is almost square. It's even square. The shape of the building is square, other than some irregular shapes on M1 to N1. There is a kind of L or R shape there. So, but we are looking for we are finding a perimeter now. We will now add these two up to get our total vertical strip. Sum it up, and that will give us 16,950. So our total vertical girth is 16,950.